Okay, 2004 f250 6.0 power stroke. It will not start, won't click, won't do nothing. You put the key in, turn it, all the gauges come on, everything comes on, but it just will not turn at all. The motor, it just click, 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 and nothing. The fuel pump, you can hear it run, the injectors, everything, or the glow plugs, all that. I read, everybody says take this plug right here, which is over here on the passenger side. There's a yellow wire. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a little bit of a blue on the back side. This is one of those clips that you squeeze it. Sorry, it's on here. You squeeze that and it just pulls off. Don't need no pliers, no nothing. But what they say to do with the batteries, cables and everything on is take this in, the male end, and touch it on here, and it should turn the truck over. But it don't. If it don't, then that means the starter's shot. So what I did to make things easier, because there's a bolt that's always hidden on these Fords, is I cut a little bit of my thing out. I mean, it come down another 1.5 inches. What it is, there's a 15 on the back, on the solenoid on the right, that big orange, or no, not the orange is on the left, so we'll say red. And then down at the bottom, I believe it's a 10mm. Take that off. Now what you can't really see is the bolt hiding way back in here. Let me see if I can zoom in or move my camera. It's right there behind. It's a 13. You got one down here, and then if you look at the bottom, you got one going the other way. There's the starter, all nasty. See the bolt going the other way right there? That's a 13. Then there's the 13 right there. And then you got that last 13, which is up here. These are easy to do, not that bad. So what I'm going to do is untake them bolts off those. 15 up top, 10 on the bottom. Get them wires out of the way. 6-inch extension, probably a medium to deep socket, and undo that bolt back there hiding. And pop her out, and that should do it. But like they said, that wire up top, that's that wire that runs down to here, that yellow and blue wire. So give that a whirl up top. That'll tell you if you're jumping across or if not. So new starter for mine here in Michigan, AutoZone, $132, $11 core. So all right, hope this helps you. This is a 2004 f250. Thank you. 6.0.